From sorrow to motivation, learning as the antidote to heartache. Sorrow is an emotion that everyone encounters in life. Whether it's the loss of family, friends, love, or even financial setbacks, the shadow of sorrow can cast over our lives. Regardless of the cause, the best way to overcome sorrow is through learning. Learning not only helps shift our focus but also cultivates our analytical and reasoning abilities, enabling us to adopt a new mindset to dissolve the presence of sorrow. Learning, the key to dissolving sorrow. In the process of learning, we can gradually distance ourselves from the shadows of sorrow. Learning is not only a skill enhancement, but also a form of soul healing. Through learning, we can approach problems with rationality, find solutions, and liberate ourselves from the shackles of sorrow, transforming sorrow into motivation. Learning to dissolve sorrow allows us to transform it into a driving force for progress. This motivation will have a profound impact on our future learning, life, and work. Sorrow is no longer a heavy burden but becomes a propellant propelling us forward.